Hey, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Welcome back to the channel. If you're new, subscribe and join the crew. If you're already known, I do unboxings here on the channel. Today we have an unboxing of a smartphone, but let's read off some of the specifications that I just took a look at here. I got this smartphone for $94. It's on sale right now, and you could read some of the specifications here for yourself. What I'm gonna go ahead and do is open up the box and read off some of the specs for you guys, and actually open up the package, see what's inside, and also see what we're gonna be working with. It's an all-white box, and it has the words Blackview on it, and it does say on the other side Blackview as well, and so you're gonna get consistent branding except for these two sides. Now on the back of it, you're getting the A80 Pro quad camera king, budget king. So it's the quad camera budget king is what they're stating here. They also give you a 6.5-inch HD plus V-notch display with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of ROM, and a 4680 mAh battery, along with an 8 megapixel plus a 13 megapixel as well. I wonder where the other two cameras are going to be spec'd at, but we'll cover that on the next video if I don't cover it in this one. A80 Pro manual protective film, protective case, data USB cable, a headset as well. So that's actually pretty sick. All right, so let's go ahead and see what's in this box, guys. And now we're gonna go ahead and take a look at this device, okay? So it popped out right away. It says the rugged outdoor smartphone. There's already a case on this phone as well. It's in a green color, and it has the words Blackview on the back. And let's just take off this case. But you can see that it's a clear TPU case that they're giving you. And let me just take off this case. Okay, so it is the jade green color. You can see that the case is clear. Nothing special here. Let's put that back in the box. It might get dirty, but this is actually matte finish on the back of here. So that's actually really nice, guys. This is all matte. One of my favorite materials is matte because you won't get fingerprints. I wish a lot more companies would do that, is actually give you the option for matte material on the back. So this is really nice. It's not going to give you any fingerprints on it from what I see. So that's actually really cool. I like this matte green that they're calling it. They're calling it the jade green though. Just the camera setup, you can see right here, 1 2 3 4, a fingerprint. On this side, you're getting the volume rocker along with the power button underneath, and a SIM eject removing slot here. You can put the tool there, and you're getting a headphone jack right at the top with no noise cancellation mic, but down below you are getting Type-C as well as what looks to be a microphone and a speaker. So you can see we're gonna go ahead and give this thing some juice, and I'm gonna power this thing on right now. You can see it says Blackview powered by Android. Let's go ahead and peel off the tape right here, put that inside the box, and this has a nice animation on it. It says Blackview, really nice big display, HD plus, it says right here. So I like the feel in my hand, guys. It's a matte finish on here, so it feels really nice. Also the curvature of the sides of this thing look really nice. You have some curved rounded corners which feel really nice in my hand. It's resting on my palm real nice. Let's hit the start button, and it says it's at 86% right out of the box. You can see that it does have that V notch, which they're claiming it is supposed to have. So they call it the V notch. Let's press skip real quick, and then let's let me see, back. So we do get the 5 gigahertz Wi-Fi, Eastern Daylight right there. So then we're gonna just hit continue, and more, accept. And then this is where you could enter your fingerprint, guys. So let's go ahead and do that. So it asks you just to hit the next button, but you're required to enter a pattern as well. So let's go ahead and set that up. Okay, so now it says I can touch the back. All right, so this is my left hand, my predominant hand. Then you could always add your right hand as well. So I'm gonna add that one now. So I'm really liking the texture of this phone. It has a really nice color and feel to it. It feels different than other phones because most phones offer like a glossy texture. So let me just show you what I mean. So if I was to, okay, so that's pretty cool. So compared to the LG K, as you can see, it's more shiny. And then if I was to actually get my LG Stylo 6 right here, you can see that it's a little bit more shiny here as well. So I like the fact that they're giving you this non-glossy material, which is really, really cool. So let me put these off to the side and see what else comes inside of the box. If you guys are enjoying the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you subscribe and get notified for more videos just like this. So you're also getting inside of the box your literature, which will also include a screen protector here. So you're getting a screen protector. I might use this because I know that these less expensive phones, they tend to have less higher materials. When you open up the box, you're gonna also be greeted with a brick, which you can't use unless you have an adapter. So we'll put that off to the side. You do get these earphones right here, these earbuds right here, which everybody's going with that Apple ear design, which makes sense because they're really popular. You're also getting inside of here your Type-C connector as well. So you get, I have plenty of these, so that's actually pretty cool. And let's just take a look at the device, guys. So here we do have the quad camera set up. It says the Budget Quad King. And I'm really in love with this color. This color looks really nice. It feels really good. It's got a nice all matte jade green texture to it. It says allow launcher 3 to access your call log. Oh wow! So look at the icons on here. They're squared off. They look different, so that's kind of refreshing. It has a different vibe that I'm getting on here. So it's reading off Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, battery saver. Let's see what else is in here. Night light, hotspot, and inverted colors, as well as screencast. So you can cast your screen on here, guys, which is kind of cool to see. Let's go back, and you got screen recorder, hotspot as well. So that's definitely good to see. Let's go into the settings option, and this is what it looks like. You have your smart assist. So you have a nav bar option, guys, and you do have gestures, which is cool. So this looks like the Samsung gestures, a lot like the Samsung gestures. That's to go back. So the smart assist, silence phone by flipping. You got your 3-point entry camera. You can tap to lock, adjust 2 fingers with the volume. You get some Dura speed, which will help with performance. I like to keep that off. I just don't think it really works. But you do also have system right here. If you go to about phone right here, ROM, 4 gigabytes of RAM, 720 by 1560, a 13 and an 8 megapixel. So I'm not sure if these other 2 cameras are actually just there for design and like just for looks. So let's see, yep, Android 9, and then let's just go into some other features here. So I can see you don't get an app tray on here, but you do get your Google apps here, and you do get Gmail, Maps, YouTube, Drive, everything like that you would see on other phones. You get your Play Store here, and you do get your there's no app tray on here, but you get notes, files, sound recorder, music, and camera. And when you go into the camera, it kind of reminds me of, let me see. So you got location, shutter sound, you could turn that on as well. But I'm gonna turn that off. Anti-flicker, you could turn that on or off. You can actually, if you have an SD card in here, you could set it to be inside of your storage. You got video, picture, Pro mode, mono, which is black and white, beauty, and bokeh as well. Well, that's about it, guys. Let's see. You get the V-notch display. So far, I like the matte jade green. It looks like we're only getting 13 and 8 megapixel cameras, and these may be just there for design, guys. You're getting your power button and your volume rockers, and also your headphone jack at the top. Type-C, which looks nice. The fingerprint is actually really fast as well. Let's see if we have any facial identification in here. But I'm really liking this phone so far, guys. Let me know down below what you think about this device so far. We do get a lot of options here to play around with. This phone should be good for gaming and such, because it's going to give you 56.28 gigabytes out of the box. So you're getting plenty of storage, and 4 gigabytes of RAM, which is actually enough for gaming and performance and multitasking. I also want to just see if we go into display, we do get some cool options here, like mirror vision, which will optimize picture quality. Okay, so you can actually tailor the picture to your liking here. When you go to this option, you can make it vivid, or you can make it custom right there. So those are your options, guys. Hopefully you did find this video helpful, informative, or useful in any way. In the next video, I'm gonna put my SIM in this phone and do some further testing, but hopefully you did find this video helpful as well. But let me just see, there was something else I wanted to look at, I just can't remember. But let me just see if there's any cool wallpapers on here. Wallpaper, just once. All right, so these are all the wallpapers that you're getting. If you want to see what the emojis look like as well, you could go right here, and it does have that these Gboard emojis right here, and they're all there. You could change the color of the complexions and stuff like that. But one of the things that I did notice when I actually got this device on was the fact that we do have a software update already, guys. So I just want to show you that. And it's a system update. It said that the update now, because there is a optimized audio effects here. So let me play some audio for you guys. So I just wanted you guys to hear a quick audio sample.
What's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano, and welcome back to the channel. And I have an update on my Samsung Galaxy Tab A.
All right, so this is the speaker right here, and this is the microphone.
The software update, and
so it does get plenty loud, but that update is supposed to make the muffling reduce a little bit. So let's just see what that's about. We're gonna wait for that to unzip and install. All right, here it is. Installing. Comment section, what do you think about the Blackview A80 Pro or whatever? But it's your boy Serrano, and I'll check you guys out in the next video. But in the meantime, have a great morning, afternoon, evening. Thank you for staying locked in with me, and I'll check you guys out in the next video. But in the meantime, I'll see you guys later. Peace.